have the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. At siya ang tuloy-tuloy na talagang pinagpupurihan natin ngayon. At kung magtutuloy po ako doon sa verse, after they had gone a long time without food, Paul stood up before them and said, "Men, you should have taken my advice not to sail from Crete. Then you would have spared yourselves this damage and loss. But now I urge you to keep up your courage, because not one of you will be lost. Only the ship will be destroyed." Kaya kung may Bible po kayo, inuulit ko po, nandito tayo sa Acts 18. Sundan nyo na lang po ako. Ang binasa ko po is 21 to 22 na. Dumadating sa punto na during this pandemic na napakatagal na nangyayari sa atin to, sinasabi natin sa sarili natin, I should have done this. Nung alam ko lang mangyayari to, I should have done that. I should have not listened to him. I should have just went this. Sana doktor na ako ngayon. Sana nandito na ako sa sitwasyon na to ng buhay ko. Sana nakapag-ibang bansa na ako. I should have just gone through what I have been feeling before. Pero tignan natin yung shift ni Paul bigla. Bigla siyang, at the next verse, bigla siya nagbago, sabi niya, "But now I urge you to keep your courage, because not one of you will be lost. Only the ship will be destroyed." What is Paul trying to teach us here? Marami tayong posible na maisip na negatibo dahil it's just normal. Manghinayang o regrets, but regrets would just let the storm be stronger. Ang kailangan natin gawin is change our shift, yung focus natin. Naisipin natin, I urge you now.